Hello, and welcome back to Homologous Organisms Meet. Please welcome your host, the beautiful, the wonderful, the marvelous, me, Dr. Rubisco. Let's meet our excited contestants. Meet Juliana, the sarcastic Spitfire who plans to take over the world someday with cats, ballistic missiles, and Chad. Well, he's a dolphin. Now, they may seem different, but I can assure you they both share many similarities. They both belong in the kingdom Animalia, the domain made up of, you guessed it, animals. This means that Juliana and her date are both multicellular heterotrophs that can move and dance. As well, their cells do not have cell walls, and they can produce beautiful babies through sexual reproduction. They both have haploid gametes, intracellular junctions, nerve cells, and muscle cells. Both of our wonderful guests are bilaterally symmetrical, meaning that they mirror left and right as opposed to radially symmetrical, where any line through the center is a line of symmetry. If this date kicks off, each guest will win a body cavity, a beautiful fluid-filled space between the digestive tract and outer body wall that cushions the internal organs. While we leave the lovebirds to their dinner, let's invite our new special guest, Sanjana, who I invited here because she looks a lot better than me, but she won't be doing any of the talking because as the host, I am superior. Anyways, let's move on to the ectoderm. The ectoderm is the outer layer of the embryo, and coincidentally the organism, and it forms stuff like, our skin, our hair, our nails, but that's pretty self-explanatory. Now, on to the mesoderm. The mesoderm forms the muscle, bone, cartilage, connective tissue, circulatory system. It's essentially the middle ground. And finally, the endoderm. The endoderm is basically the internal organs, what you would think of as our pancreas, our liver, our colon, that kind of stuff. It's all pretty easy and pretty simple to understand if you know Latin roots, which not many people do, so... Back to the show. As our lovebirds' food enters their digestive tract, let's have a lovely dinner conversation of protostomes and... deuterostomes? Anyways, protostomes are multicellular organisms whose mouth is the primary embryonic opening, and deuterostomes have the anus as their primary opening. Delicious. Thank God they have spines due to being vertebrates rather than spinelessly flopping around like invertebrates. Ew. See you next time. Bye.